No. So now, you're actually making me look like a liar? So, I'm a liar. Yeah? So you're actually telling me a liar. I'm a liar, I'm a liar, I'm a liar. Answer me. I'm a liar? Sorry po, sorry. That's how you say sorry? If I say sorry to you, sorry ate, sorry. Tanggap mo yan? You really shouted at me. Ate, may pinag-aralan po akong tao. Hey? Okay. Give mo. I'm just returning the favor, yeah? No, 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 no. Alam mo kung paano mo akong tinawag? O tinanong, ha? Paano mo akong tinanong? Ha? Ate, anong problema mo? Anong problema mo, ha? And oh my God, kuya. So, she's a liar. Oh, kuya. And you're a freaking liar. Ang sabi mo, anong problema ko? Tapos, you grab me. Sabi mo, di ba? Okay, anong problema mo?